Daisy and Peach. Ta-da! Every day they get a little part to eat. Glendy and Spidey. Hey, Reintje! Yvonne. And Silke, Vera and I made this for the ponies. Hey Yvonne. Hi. Hey. Yvonne and Reintje can be in the outside arena because the pasture is too wet. I'm so done with it. Why? Hello? Hey Reintje. Hey jongen. Kom maar. Goed zo. Hey jongen. Reintje. And I wanna ride Reintje. Boukje. Goed zo. Boukje can learn to tie up. And now I learn her scratching the hooves and dressing her. So first this. Hey Blomke. Oh, she likes it. Now I tried this, and yesterday Vera did it. I thought only the front legs. Was goed zo. Goed zo. Goed zo. Goed zo. Braaf. Yay. She did great. Now the others. And the hind legs. Well, she can walk loose in the stall, and Bella is watching Boukje. And I'm going to ride Reintje. Goed zo, Reintje. Even. Zo. Oh. Oh. Reintje is doing very good. Very good. She knows everything. This is the second time. Hey, hello. This is the second time I ride her again after Boukje. So she's perfect. Okay, they are always lying. Now they don't. Maybe. Yay! You can go out. Sally en Blomke. Reintje. En Boukje. Korallen. En Bella. Korallen? Oh. No. Come. She knows there's always something in it. Oh. Okay. That's very scary. I have to help, I think. Up, 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 up. Come on. Hey, Sally. It's very wet, so I'm not sure this is okay. But otherwise they go in again. Hey Bella. Karalle. Sally. Blomke. Hey. En Reintje en Boukje. Oh no. Super. Kom maar. Reintje. And we check if she's in foal.
Yeah. There. And that's about 20 days now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, so that's good.
So this is the foal?
Yeah.
Whoa.
And we'll
Cool.
see how big it is. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah. About... nice.
Well, that's perfect.
Yeah, it looks nice. And she doesn't have edema.
No.
So that's good.
Yay.
Happy days.
Yay. Goed zo. Sally. Blomke.
And this is my baby.
Whoa.
It's cool, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're in the middle. Can you
Yeah.
see it?
I saw.
But it's difficult because now I'm not moving at all, but it's just like the mirror is moving a little bit. And But anyway, it's happy and healthy.
Yes.
And then I look for the...
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the other one we saw.
Yeah.
See?
That's
Still
the
there.
other.
So that's just a kiss.
Yeah.
And then, boop, that's the baby.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
So
They're
that's
skinny.
normal.
Yeah.
Yay. Goed zo. They are brothers and sisters because they're the same dad.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Martinez.